Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the demo of Muslim Xchange. When you sign into your member dashboard, you can see your portfolio at a glance, the performance of the Halal Stock Advisor, and then you have the market's overview, where you can check how different regions have performed. The top gaining stock and the losing stock from the compliant only market, the total market versus the compliant only market, how different sectors have performed, and the top news. Scrolling down, you can see the top gainers and top losers in the compliant stocks for different regions again. Then you have the heat map. To search any stock, for example, we're going to Microsoft's page. You have the market data based on the closing price, and then you have Sharia compliant details overview, how many standards does stock pass, and then you can add a stock to the watch list if you would like to do that. You have impure income, how much purification is due per quarter. This is based on the AAOIFI methodology. And then how much zakat is due per share. Again, this is also based on the AAOIFI methodology for long-term investments only. So over here, as you can see, you get an overview of how many standards the stock passes. We screen stocks based on 5 major Sharia standards. Scrolling down, you have a snapshot of its financials, and then the Sharia compliance details, and the 5 Sharia standards with their specific rule books. You have the impure income breakdown, and you have the note on purification and zakat, providing more explanation to how you need to purify and how you need to pay your zakat. If you go into the portfolio section, you will see again a detailed snapshot of your portfolio, how much profit and loss, and how much has its total performance been, how much zakat and how much purification per quarter is required, how your portfolio is divided by sector and by market cap. If you would like to bulk upload your portfolio, you can choose a CSV file and upload it here. And at the bottom, you have the table giving you the detailed breakdown of all your holdings. Next, we have the filters. In the filters, you have several different tabs where you can analyze stocks based on their financials. You can select the filters that you would like. For example, if you want to have a specific methodology, you can select that. If you would like to, for example, screen companies that have a total impure income, let's say less than 0.1, you can do that as well. You can filter stocks based on their PE ratios and several other financial ratios. And once you have all your filters, you can save your filter, and then you can modify them, delete, and so on. Then you have our next, which is the ETF screener. You can check for ETFs that are compliant. You can even check for different ETFs and their holdings to see which ones are compliant and which ones aren't. You have the Halal Stock Advisor, where you can read our stock picks. This is our watch list, where you can view the watch list that you have saved from the stock pages. Then here's our community. Here you can ask questions and get them answered by an AAOIFI Certified Shariah Advisor. So that's a little about Muslim Xchange. We're constantly adding new features and updates. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to Muslim Xchange.